Okay, what I've done here is I clamped that on there, and I simply made magic marker marks so I know exactly where it goes. Then I put that in place. That is an 1.25 inch piece. 1.25 inch. That's it. So now all I have to do, is put that on there, move that out, clamp it. Once I cut that, I'm gonna move it out. I'm gonna clamp it to this piece, which is exactly where that, exactly where it is, and put the pieces in and weld it. It's gonna be exact, just exact. Okay, we got one done, and it's exact as far as where it needs to be. It should be exact. I don't see how it couldn't be. Okay, everything's jigged up for number 2. So we'll simply take that out, and I need 2 hands, but we'll take that sucker out, take that off, cut those off, clamp it to it, put it in place, and get it welded. Okay. Second one's done. They're just sitting there together. They're done.